New customer quote. What do you think?
Very nice.
Picked up the final pricing this morning. Took me 2 weeks chasing suppliers. Tier 1 vendors only.
It's very cool, Frank, but that's nothing. Look at this. Full bomb breakdown. Sourced and priced in 10 days.
10 days. I called 14 suppliers and spent 2 weeks. He did it in 10. 7 days.
You're sweating.
That is really Super Sam.
Mind if I dim the lights?
Real-time pricing, instant PCB prices, every component. Supplier quotes, manufacturing cost, margins, it's all in one place. Oh my God, the lead times are live. How long?
Less than a day. I use Luminovo.
That's one workflow?
Yeah, end to end.